If you want to enable USB debugging on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all, we need to open Settings. We're gonna scroll all the way down, and then over here, you want to go to About Phone. Now, in About Phone, you should be able to find the software information. So let's go here and keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password and continue. Then confirm that you want to allow development settings, and you will see this information that developer mode has been turned on. We're gonna go back to settings, and then below About Phone, you should be able to find developer options. Now over here in the developer options, after scrolling down just a little bit, you should be able to find USB debugging, and there is a possibility that it's going to be blocked by auto blocker. So in order to fix this, you just have to go back to settings and choose security and privacy. Over here we have the auto blocker, so we're gonna turn it off, use a fingerprint or screen lock password to continue, and then go back to developer options, and you should be able to turn on USB debugging. Leave a like and subscribe.